Easy, I'll shoot both the- No, not you, I'll shoot you. As the game hasn't even started yet, guys. I hope you know that.
Dude, I know you're shooting.
No, they're testing.
Dude, they're shooting.
Okay, let's just hide. Oh my god, chill out. I'm not gonna get raped over there because I know either you're a terrorist because you're walking towards me, or one of them's a freaking terrorist.
Fuck off.
You know, the game hasn't started yet, so I don't know why you guys are fucking arguing. Chris, has the game started?
This is the trust road.
Ah, fuck this.
This is the trust road. Grab the trust road.
Everyone, put your gun down and touch the rope. I don't trust you. I don't trust you because you have your gun. Your finger's on the trigger. Oh, he's aiming at me. I'm not a terrorist. I hope you know that. I don't have a gun.
Bang, bang, people. You gotta actually
I'm
shoot them.
scared.
Or you can do a night kill.
He's pointing his gun.
Everyone, point your gun at him. He's gonna shoot one of us.
Put your gun.
You can't point it out. Check this side. Let's check like we're all on the same team because hopefully we are. And if you are terrorists, just bang, bang. I don't want to take your fucking shots stupid away. If I shoot someone with this, they'll start crying. This is the extreme. Hey, so there's a guy right there. He's a terrorist. He's looking. He's looking back.
Put your gun down.
Look at it. He's looking at us.
Point your gun down.
He
Shot at me.
Shit. Bullshit. Shoot him if he comes out. Watch him. He's a terrorist. That guy's definitely a terrorist. Shoot him anyway.
Who's this guy?
Hey, I'll kill all of you.
Who are you?
Get down. Move over there if you're not a terrorist.
Go away. No,
Hey,
go
well,
away.
I swear if you lift that hand, I'll blow you in the... Okay, that sounds gay.
No, I don't think he cares.
I don't think you're a terrorist. Okay. Oh, that was a nice one.
Okay, you're good. Just keep your hand off the trigger.
I don't trust you. Behind you.
Shit. He doesn't care.
So he's a terrorist.
He just wants.
I will light you up if you... I'm not a terrorist. I think he's one.
Oh, you have to go ask him. You have to go check.
Are you a terrorist? Are you a terrorist? Okay, I killed you, so we're both out. Yeah.